So guys, narito kami sa Martinez, California. Nice weather today guys, oh. Daming mga activities dito ngayon. San Francisco, Chinese parade ngayon. Hello and shout out to all my subscribers, viewers, and joint channel members, local and overseas, old and new. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome back. We are here again for another sharing of talents, skills, and informations about everything around us and around our surroundings. Okay, yesterday I told you we had fun. We received an invitation about the revealing of the mural by an artist in Martinez, California. So we went there, and then later you will see the outcome of the beautiful mural made by an artist. Okay, so they distributed coloring pamphlet like this. So I did not do this, it was an artist who did this. So kinukulayan lang natin according to, we just want to share our skills in coloring, so sponsored by MCE, and the good thing about it, there are some organization that advocates yung energy consuming, parang they encourage us to use electric than gas, and it has something to do about helping our environment, so ito kinukulayan natin to, so later makikita nyo naman yung tunay na kulay nito. Thank you very much for the artist who did this. So advocates kasi ako ng mga everything about arts, mural, yung mga grand opening ng mga, lalo ngayon lalo especially this time, spring and summer, maraming mga events, and they showcase their talents. Maraming tayong mapupuntahan ng mga artists. So, i-display nila ang kanilang mga skills and talents about arts. So, kumusta na kayo dyan, guys? Sana everything is okay for you. Alam ko, number one, mahal ang gasolina ngayon. Dito, mahal din, biglang nagtaas. But for us, meron kami solar, electric na ang ginagamit namin. Even our car is electric too. So sympathize tayo sa yung the environment. So isn't it nice, the artist who did this? So it was in Martinez, California, the neighboring cities of Hercules, Concord, El Sobrante, San Pablo, Contra Costa County. So later tatapusin ko to, So maraming activities kahapon, Chinese New Year, Chinese New Year parade, March 7 in San Francisco. The most awaited and trending, yung maganda kasi ang weather kahapon. Oo. At saka ngayon, maganda rin. Nasa 70s, 80s na, no? Not like before during winter. Mga 40, 45, 40, 50, no? Pero ngayon, mga 70, 80, 85. So, thank you very much to MCE and to all organizers of this event yesterday. Thank you for sending us an invitation. So, advocates ako ng mga arts. Mural, maraming mural dito. Especially in Martinez. Martinez is one of the most historical country rin. Marami. Diyan pinanganak si the famous John Muir. So, later I will finish this and I will show you to you, ha? Eto guys, so, meron pa silang mga ibinigay na mga giveaway. Itong mga recycled recycled cloth. They made a drawing this yan, at saka bukod nga dito, no, itong mga giveaway yan, at saka mga pamphlets about the good air, and also all these mga murals, also mga information about electricity. So marami pang pinamimigay na mga giveaways. So it was fun, it was very interesting, and it was very informational event, marami pa tayong pupuntahan na ganyan. Marami pa tayong mapupuntahan ng mga ganitong events. So, simula pa lang ngayong Saturday yan, dahil magandang weather ngayong weekend. So, I hope guys, you enjoy watching my information about it, maiba naman tayo, but it has something to do with arts also. So, one of the reason why I went there is I am an advocacy of an art, and I want to support yung mural ng Boys and Girls Club sa Martinez. Okay? So, thank you!